Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of How To with Jerry. Today we're going to learn how to strengthen our core. The first exercise is going to be the regular crunches. The most basic one, we all know it, but you want to keep a few things in your mind, which is so you want to sit tall on your sit bones and you want to lift up with a straight back using your core to lift you up. You want to avoid using momentum and do something like this where there's no control. The second one is going to be crunches in the tabletop position. You're going to follow the same rule of the crunches, but this time you're going to bend your legs at a 90 degree, which is your ankle in line with your knees and your knees right above your hips. The third one is going to be the in and outs. For this one, you're going to be sitting on your sit bones and back straight, and you're going to keep your inner thighs squeezing and go out slowly and begin quick. The fourth one is going to be the leg raises. You want to lie down flat on your back, pushing your belly button towards the spine, making your lower back flat, keeping your shoulder blades off the floor. You're going to lift your legs using your core. Feel that core burn. The fifth one is going to be bicycle crunches. For this one, you're going to balance on your sit bones again and you're going to make a twist in the upper body, which will help work our oblique muscles, which are located on the side of your body. You want to avoid doing something like this which has no control. You want to keep it controlled. The sixth one is going to be the forearm plank. You want to make sure your shoulders to your ankle is a straight line and keep that core engaged. The seventh one, we're going to get into the toe touches. Legs up straight and you're going to crunch upwards trying to touch your toes using your core.